Hello guys, and welcome to Comparing and Restoring Old Versions with Revisions by WA Courses. In this video, I'm going to show you how the revision system works on Gutenberg and how you can compare and restore older versions of any post or page that you've created. So with the introduction out the way, let's get started with the video. So I'm currently on my post editor on Gutenberg. So to access the revision feature of Gutenberg, you click on this settings knob and navigate to this post tab. So make sure you're on post, and just below it you're going to see this revision stuff here. Okay, this revision tab. You only get this revision tab if you've published this post or if you've saved this post a few times and made changes. So if you add content and you save that version of it and you make changes, that becomes a revision. Okay, so a revision is just simply let's say you have this, you update this this post and you make more changes. So whatever change whatever thing you're adding now, it makes the previous version of this a revision. So if we go over to post, I'm just going to refresh this page. Okay, let's update this first before we refresh the page. So I refresh this page, so we can see, okay, now as you can see we have 5 different revisions because we made 2 extra changes. So whatever change you make and you save that becomes a revision. So to access the revision tool, just click on this revision tab here and it's going to take you to the revision tool. So right now we have 5 different revisions for this current post. So at the right hand side, this shows you the latest version of let's say what you're currently working on. So if I added JM to my content, so this is the latest version and this is the previous version without the extra stuff I added. So you control what version you're comparing by with this knob over here. So if I scroll back, it keeps comparing the latest to before the other revisions at the front. Okay, so if I go back to this last place here, it's going to compare the first revision with the second revision. If I scroll, it's going to compare the second revision with the third revision. If I scroll again, it's going to compare the third revision with the fourth revision, and if I scroll the last time, it's going to compare the fourth revision with the fifth revision. Okay, so that's how it works. It compares the 2 latest revisions, the one at the back and one at the front. You also have the option to compare 2 of any version. So if I click on this, I can compare the first version with the latest version, which is the 5th version, or I can compare the first version and the 4th version. So this is just an extra setting here. So once you finish comparing and you feel this is much better, as long as your this knob is at a current version, current revision, if you click on this restore this revision, it's going to trash whatever is at the right here and just restore this. Okay, so if I click on restore, it's going to delete everything here and just replace it with whatever is at the left hand side. Okay, so as you can see, we no longer have the NB extra stuff we added here. So that's how the revision feature works. It's very easy. You just play around with it and you get used to it. You can compare 2 different versions, and if you like this one, just click on restore and it's going to restore that for you. So it's very straightforward to use and very easy. So I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.